this session, I am going to explain non-ideal solutions. Okay. Previous class we discussed ideal solution. Okay. The binary solutions we classified into two types: ideal and non-ideal solution. I am given that based on Raoult's law. Which obeys Raoult's law, that usually we are given ideal solution. Here, a solution which does not obey Raoult's law is known non-ideal solution. Okay. Whatever the condition I am given in ideal, the molecular interactions between the two components, okay, and the delta H mix and delta V mix is equals to 0, we are given that. So same like that, when the molecular interactions are not equal to AABB is not equals to AB, and delta H mix not equals to 0, delta V mix not equals to 0. That means here, whatever the partial vapor pressure you are expecting from a solution, we are not getting that. Okay, same to the P naught A XA. Sorry, here the P naught A XA. And PB not equals to P naught B XB. That means whatever we are expecting, the vapor pressure from the Raoult's law either maybe increases or maybe decreases. So that's why the non-ideal solution here I am classifying two types. So some are the non-ideal solutions are showing the positive deviation from Raoult's law, and some of the non-ideal solutions are showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, so here whatever we are expected the vapor pressure from the Raoult's law, we are not getting the same. So when you are getting the same, that we are given under ideal solution. So but here either may increases or may decreases. So based on that one, the non-ideal solutions we classified into two types. So some are showing positive deviation from Raoult's law, some are showing the negative deviation from Raoult's law. So which are showing positive deviation, which are showing the negative deviation, just you can go through this one. So here the molecular interactions between A, B, B should be greater than AB interactions. That means AB interactions are weaker than AA interactions and BB interaction. That means PA greater than P naught A XA, PB greater than P naught B XB. So P total greater than P naught A or PA plus PB, we can take that directly. Okay. And at the same time, another condition, it should be obeyed. Delta H mix greater than 0. Delta H mix greater than 0 is nothing but the dissolution process. I am calling it is endothermic process. Endothermic process. That means here AA interactions are greater. Okay. So when you are mixing this one, when the dissolution is taking place, we need energy to break the bond in this one. So that's why I am calling it endothermic reaction. Delta H mix greater than 0, and at the same time delta V mix greater than 0. Okay. So whatever you are expecting the vapor pressure from Raoult's law, here these are not giving the same. Here vapor pressure increases. For example, okay, you can observe that the best example which are showing the positive deviation from Raoult's law, that is ethanol and acetone if I am taken. So C2H5OH is there. C2H5OH. So here in C2H5OH there is a hydrogen bonding is there. There is a hydrogen bonding is we are expected in this one. C2H5OH. Okay. So interactions between the simple AA type you can take that hydrogen bonding is there. In BB I am taking that acetone. Okay. So when you are mixing these two, the acetone will come under in this one. What happened? The interactions are going to less. Okay. So interactions are going to less. So just simply here you must be get that idea. When interactions are strong, these particles are not ready to escape from the solutions and not giving that vapors. So what happened? Vapor pressure will less. When interactions are less, when molecular interactions are less, what happened? These particles are ready to escape from the liquid phase and ready to go to become as a vapor. More number of vapor particles will get that. So there we are expecting that a more vapor pressure. So what you are expecting that interactions between AB, there is a less interactions are there. There is no strong interactions. When ethyl alcohol is there, strong interactions are there. But when acetone particles are there, here the interactions are going to decreasing. When interactions are going to decreasing, these particles are ready to escape from the liquid and showing that more vapor pressure. So that's why it is showing that positive deviation from Raoult's law. So whatever we are expecting that vapor pressure, it is giving that greater than to that expected. Okay, so that I have represented with that graphical representation. Okay, so at the same time, here I would like to give that some solutions are showing the negative deviation. Okay, so just simply comparison study you can take that one. So whatever showing that a positive deviation, okay, vapor pressure will be greater because interactions are less. The negative deviation, what you are expecting, the vapor pressure will be less. So when vapor pressure will be less, when molecular interactions are greater, which molecular interactions are greater? AB molecular interactions are greater. That means when you are comparing that AA interactions and BB interactions should be less than to that AB. That means PA less than P naught A XA, PB less than P naught B XB. Clear? And P total also we can get that less than P naught, okay, PA plus PB. And second one, what do you expect, the delta H mix less than 0. Delta H mix less than 0. Why? Because there is a strong interactions you are expecting. So that means there is a bond formation is taking place. When bond formation is taking place, heat will be going to evolve. So when heat is going to evolve, what you are giving that? It is an exothermic process. And delta V mix also less than 0. Delta V mix also less than 0. Just you can take that a comparison. Just you can take that a comparison. Here whatever you are expecting the vapor pressure, these are showing greater than to that expect. So that's why I am calling positive deviation from Raoult's law. Here whatever you are expecting the vapor pressure, it is showing less. So that's why I am showing that negative deviation from Raoult's law. Only the condition you can explain with the type of interactions. If you have a strong interactions, the vapor pressure will be going to less. When you have a less type of interactions, vapor pressure will be going to greater. Okay, so these two I would like to explain with a graphical representation. Okay, so just you can use very soon. Now let's see some graphical representations and examples of positive deviation from Raoult's law and solutions which are showing the negative deviation from Raoult's law. So now I am given that which are showing that positive deviation from Raoult's law, then we are expecting that vapor pressure will be greater whatever you are expecting from Raoult's law. In negative deviation, the vapor pressure will be less whatever you are expecting from Raoult's law. So here I am given that a graphical representation. This is normal we are expecting from Raoult's law. But when here which are showing the positive deviation from Raoult's law, what happened here you can see A is equals to 1, B equals to 0, that initially component A is equals to 1. So what happened, mole fraction is going to decreasing. So you are expecting that the PA curve like this one. But what I am saying that it is showing the positive deviation from Raoult's law. So this is the expected, whatever the theoretically you are expecting. But what I am getting that, so this dotted curve I am showing with respect to, okay, so somewhat greater, okay, positive deviation. Okay, so here also it is expecting that positive deviation and it is expecting that positive deviation from this one. Okay, so this is PA curve and this one PB curve, and P total is equals to, we are taking PA plus PB curve. Got it? So these block whatever I represented, this is expected from Raoult's law, but it's the solution is showing positive deviation, so the curves we are getting like this one. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of the solutions which are showing that positive deviation from Raoult's law. So many examples, the very important examples I am given here. So why it is showing like this? For example, you are taking the ethanol. Just now I explained that in ethanol, what happened? There is a intermolecular attractions are there. Which type? Hydrogen bonding is there. Okay, initially in ethanol, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there. So when acetone you have added for this one, the host particle when coming into this one, the interactions are going to decreases. Okay, in between C2H5OH and acetone, interactions are less. So these are ready to escape from that solution, showing that more deviation, nothing but more vapor pressure. So that's why it is showing that positive deviation. Okay, so this is the graphical representation showing which are positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, now let us see negative deviation from Raoult's law here. Okay, so the graphical representation what I am showing here, it is from Raoult's law. We are expecting the curves, okay, which are showing the Raoult's law. But the negative deviation, nothing but there is a strong interactions are there in between the AB. These are not ready to escape from this one. So whatever you are expecting the vapor pressure, these are showing somewhat less. So the curves you are expecting like this, but whatever we are getting from this one, so here the curves we are given. So this curve represented towards the PA, okay, and this also somewhat less whatever you are expecting. This is a give PB, and these dotted lines are showing that a P total, okay. So these are that curves, the graphical representation, the solutions which are showing that negative deviation from Raoult's law. There also I am given that good examples with a different type of one. So why are showing these are the negative deviation from Raoult's law? So generally you can see that some example. For example, you have acetone. Okay. So acetone I am taking that CH3 C double bond O CH3, and this interactions are there. We have not any interactions between this one. But when I am adding that a chloroform, so when I am adding that a chloroform, so what you are expecting? There is a hydrogen bonding is expecting between that acetone and chloroform. So when I am expecting that hydrogen bonding between that acetone and chloroform, what happened? There is a strong interactions are existing here. So when the strong interactions are existing, these are not ready to escape from the solution. So when not ready to escape from the solution, the vapor pressure is going to decreases. So whatever you are expecting that vapor pressure from the Raoult's law, it is showing this thick curves. But whatever I am getting, that I am showing with that, okay, dotted line. These are the curves are represented to the negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, so this is the comparison study between that positive deviation from Raoult's law and negative deviation from Raoult's law. So these two we are given the non-ideal solution which does not obey Raoult's law, and along with respect to of this one, there is no same interactions, and delta H mix equals to 0, delta V mix not equals to 0, and delta H mix not equals to 0. So some are showing that positive deviation and some are showing that a negative deviation from Raoult's law. So these are the concept which is involved in non-ideal solutions and conditions and graphical representations and whatever the different type of examples. Clear?